All right, traders, check this out. We got the euro dollar, and we've been here a few days ago, right? We were calling out the euro dollar for a potential tipping point, a potential turnaround here, right at the edge of that move, and we felt that price was not really breaking out here. And when it started to drop back and cross back below 1323, that's the main point of reference here. We called it out, right? We called it out, this bearish conviction, but we were off. We were off with the timing. Price had one more statement, right? One more move in its pipeline, and it pushed even higher, taking the previous high, but yesterday coming back big time. So guys, I actually feel that maybe we were just off with the timing a little bit, but probably now is much better timing to jump in. So we want to get back with the euro dollar, guys. I want to show you how this looks like from the weekly perspective. First we can show you how it looks like from the weekly perspective. It's quite impressive. Mind you, price did not cross that 1323 ever. In this particular formation, right? This formation started back at October 2019. That's the moment. That's what we're tracking here. First move on the way up, another leg on the way down, third, fourth on the way down. Here we had a nice triple bottom. You probably remember that because that led to a very successful bullish campaign, which in fact was the fifth leg. At this point, we're either going to have a breakout or a complete full-fledged downside reversal for the sixth move to take us back to where we came from, pretty much. 109.63 and below. That's what I should say. The minimum level here is 109.63. So this bearish campaign that we're about to launch is going to be all about 109.63 and 111.53 as a secondary target, right? As a profit-taking spot. But we feel that the situation right now is very bearish because you can see how price just sliced that 113.23 for the second time in a row, right? It started last week, and even though we got in very, very small. We were testing the waters, and I also said very specifically that this might be too early to jump in, right? So now it should be more, the situation is more mature to actually have a real downside reversal here, guys. So we're jumping in, but we're jumping in again. We're starting small. We want to have price, supporting, backing us up, right? By just keeping pushing downwards. With every push downwards, we feel more comfortable to increase the position. So right after this session, we're pulling the trigger. We're starting small, and we'll begin hopefully to build up a decent sized position here going downwards. Euro dollar, maybe that's the right time to try to catch that tipping point that we were trying to catch a few days ago. We'll see. Should be interesting. One last glimpse, guys, to the monthly chart. It's quite interesting to see how price was fully confirming, right? Fully confirmed with the key level system here. Just take a look at these touchdowns here on the bottom, and these touchdowns here on the top, right? 113.23 from above, 107.93 from below, and that's it. It's pretty clear to me. Price is trading sideways in this nice system here, and we feel that at this point, we're probably looking at price starting to shift direction and begin to build up the next downside move. It's sure gonna be interesting to come back and see how things have been playing out here, and that's what we'll do, right? That's what we'll do. That's about that for today. Guys, enjoy the weekend. We'll be back on Monday to continue. Forex Market Video Signal. It's been a pleasure. Take care.